If you're considering to start working from home or starting a freelancing career, then this video is for you. Hi, I'm Nikki and I'm from Amazon Nation, and I'm here to share you 5 quick tips on how you can transition from a corporate setup to a freelancing career. So let's get started. The first one is actually pretty simple. Don't quit your job just yet because your job is your stable source of income. And if you have a stable source of income and you're trying to explore a new realm or an uncharted territory, it will help you prioritize learning over earning, di ba? Kasi since hindi mo alam kung ano yung magiging kalakaran, hindi mo pa alam kung ito ba yung magugustuhan mo or fit ba siya sa lifestyle na gusto mo, kailangan meron ka munang source of income para it would give you enough time to learn the ropes and to pace yourself. Alright, so second one is to actually choose a market and a skill to offer. So, ang madalas kasi, like ako, nung nagsisimula, lahat in-applyan. So, ang nangyari, sabog-sabog yung efforts ko. Bakit kailangan natin pumili ng isang target market lang at isang skill? Kasi, iba't ibang market, iba't ibang needs yan. So, kung ako, virtual assistant, iba ang needs ng mga real estate agents. Iba ang needs ng mga executive, yung mga bosses, kung gusto mong maging executive assistant. Iba rin ang needs ng mga e-commerce sellers, like Amazon sellers. Iba pa rin yan sa Lazada sellers. Iba rin yan sa eBay sellers. Kasi iba-ibang platform means may iba't iba silang algorithm and challenges na kailangan mong ma-learn. So kung lahat yun, isa-service mo, kumbaga, yung efforts mo, hindi siya focus, hindi siya concentrated. So ikaw, kung ano-ano lang, kung sino lang yung dumating, saka mo siya aaralin. Unlike if you have a target market and a skill na you chose to specialize in, you can focus yourself and actually build your portfolio, you can build your skill, you can upgrade skills na related dun sa offer mo. That will make you a more in-demand and sought-after kind of virtual assistant. Alright? So, now, once ma-choose mo na yung target market and skill mo, the third tip is actually optional. So, if you have a budget, enroll for a course. Kasi kung hindi kayo familiar doon sa papasukin nyo na service or offer, maganda na meron na kayong guide. Alright? So, ang maganda kasi when you join a course is you're not just paying for the program, but you get to be a part of a community of the same virtual assistants, na offering the same level of service. So, saka iba-iba kayo. May mga experts, may mga beginners. So, kayo rin yung magtutulungan sa loob bukod doon sa coach or mentor na nagmamanage ng group nyo. So, if may extra budget, you can opt for joining a course or finding a mentor. Kasi it will also cut your learning curve. Usually, di ba, ang mga courses ngayon, as early as 4 to 8 weeks or in less than 3 months, equipped na kayo with the right skill and tools so you can charge premium fees to your target market. Alright, so the fourth one is to start getting a client right away. So, nag-course man kayo or hindi, start na kayo mag-get ng client kasi you don't have to know everything. May mga clients na willing, may iba't ibang types of client. May mga clients na willing mag-train ng mga empleyado nila. May mga clients na gusto experience. But of course, you have to position yourself muna. Depende sa kung anong level of expertise meron ka. So kung beginner ka pa lang, nag-uumpisa ka pa lang, then you have to look for clients na willing mag-train ng kanilang mga employees. Kasi there's no shortcut but to actually do it. Oo, kasi mahirap yung nagko-consume ka lang ng lessons, nagko-consume ka lang ng YouTube tutorials, pero pag hindi mo naman siya napapractice, hindi mo rin na-validate kung tama ba yun or kung applicable pa ba yun. Kasi lalo na si Amazon dashboard is constantly changing. So, yung mga video tutorials na napanood mo 3 months ago, hindi na siya actually applicable ngayon kasi nagbago na yung dashboard saka iba na rin minsan yung process nila on how you can resolve things. So, stuff like that. And the last fifth quick tip is to actually get feedback from either your prospect or your client. So be gentle with yourselves. Minsan kasi masyadong mataas yung expectations natin na dapat perfect. Dapat sa first interview, hired ka agad. So to be honest, let me manage your expectation. It wouldn't always go what you expect it to be. So be prepared lang to manage your expectations. And what works for me is that yung mga Amazon sellers kasi may mga iba't ibang task yan, may mga iba't ibang screening yan na pinapagawa sa'yo. So give your best, do them kasi parang practice mo sila. And the good thing is kapag hindi ka nila napili, humingi ka ng feedback. Bakit hindi ka nila pinili? And most of them would be generous enough to give you a feedback para alam mo kung saan ka mag-i-improve. And you know what? The good thing is, after mo magawa yung screening, pwede mo na siyang ilagay sa portfolio mo kasi you were able, let's say, pinag-product research ka ng ganito yung mga criteria for ganitong category. You can already add that to your portfolio. See, I mean, you did not really get the job yet, pero win pa rin sa'yo yun kasi nabibuild mo na yung skill mo, napapractice mo na. Yeah, I hope I was able to give you more sets of insights para sa pag-pursue ninyo ng freelancing career. I know this is very timely because most people are looking into ways or opportunities na makapag-stay at home dahil nga sa situation natin ngayon with the crisis. But yeah, those are the five quick tips that you can do to help you transition from a corporate job to a freelancing career. So again, this is Nikki from Amazon Nation wishing you well, and I'll see you next in my video. Bye! Hey everyone! If you like these kinds of topics, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga ina-upload naming videos. And do like and follow our Facebook and Instagram accounts at Amazon Nation PH. Again, that's Amazon Nation PH. So again, this is Nikki, your Amazon VA, and together, let's build your brand and transform lives through Amazon. See you in my next vlog. Bye!